Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming who legally owns the Chromebook. This matters for what you can do. Once done, record the managed Google account email and device serial number because they determine administrative control. Make sure to read the school's device policy. This explains whether a release or transfer is allowed. If you own the device outright, a lawful path exists to remove management. If not, make sure to follow rules and request permission. Do not attempt covert bypasses or unauthorized tricks. Next, contact the school IT department or administrator and present proof of ownership or a legitimate reason for release. This is the proper channel. Once they confirm, ask them to remove the device from their admin console, unenroll the managed account, or provide a transfer form. If the school refuses, make sure to explore lawful alternatives such as buying a personal Chromebook or requesting an official appeal. These paths respect policy and avoid damaging system integrity or violating terms of use. Finally, once the school or vendor confirms removal, you should back up personal files and perform a factory reset or power wash with the managed account signed out. This clears local settings and profiles. Then set up the Chromebook using your personal Google account and verify update and security settings. If something goes wrong, make sure to document error messages and contact the school IT or the vendor for support. Keeping receipts and transfer confirmations speeds resolution and avoids misunderstandings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.